Hello everyone, welcome to our new video on Gossip Funda. I am Rachita Nath and today I am going to discuss about Smart Network Switch, enable or disable in Galaxy S7, S8 and S9. Smart Network Switch, how to enable and disable in Galaxy S7, S8 or S9. Are you guys worried about the network signal to stay connected with your device? Is there any feature to enable our device to stay connected? So today our video is about Smart Network Switch feature. This allows the device to stay connected between the Wi-Fi connection and mobile data. Desire to know the regarding most advanced features, how does it work and what are the options with the features in the Samsung devices. So please keep watching the video to know the informations regarding the smart network switch. So what is smart network switch? The smart network switch allows the mobile phone to switch between a Wi-Fi network signal and device mobile data. How to enable smart network switch? To allow the smart network switch in the settings of your phone, follow some instructions. Number 1, go to the setting app on your home screen and choose option connections on your mobile. Number 2, open the Wi-Fi option in the connections. Number 3, press the advanced menu option in the top right on the screen. Number 4, tap the toggle that is next to Smart Network Switch displays and tap it to allow the function to activate. Number 5, when once the function is enabled, then it allows functioning with aggressive switching. So Samsung devices were the first to launch the feature Smart Network Switch, which allows switching between the internal Wi-Fi signals and mobile data. These features make sure that the device is constantly connected to the network signals. The main drawback is that the feature is not smart and uses a lot of mobile data as reviewed by the customer. Last conclusion. The main thing is to check the constant network signals to connect to our devices. But when our Wi-Fi signals are overloaded and due to some traffic miscommunication, there won't be a constant network at the situation. All the Samsung users are with the latest feature Smart Network Switch. This feature enable your device to stay connected to the device. If there is some fluctuation, the device will get connected with the device mobile data. But the users can't able to see whether the device is connected with the Wi-Fi connection or mobile data. The users is also available with the latest update similar to the switch feature auto network switch. With these users no need to enable or disable the features. This feature automatically directs the device to stay connected.